Hello! This experiment, we're going to be making some naked eggs. They're not really going to be naked, the shell is just going to dissolve. So the items you'll need are white vinegar, a container, the container top, and some eggs. So first, you're going to get your eggs and place them in the container. Then you're going to slowly pour in your white vinegar. Since you finished putting your eggs in the container and pouring your white vinegar in, you're going to put the top on and put them in the refrigerator for 24 hours. So we are back after 24 hours and this is the egg and vinegar. Take a look at what the eggs look like now. The only reason they're staying together is because of the membranes in them. So now you're going to slowly get your big spoon I got one out. Be very careful. Oh, okay. Get the next one. This is actually easier than I thought. They look like this because the vinegar started to make the shell dissolve. Now also make sure they don't touch. Yes, okay, now you're done with that. So move the old container to the side and the spoon. Now you're going to pour in your vinegar. Slowly pour it in. So make sure you have enough vinegar to cover up the whole egg. So now you're going to get a top, leave it in the refrigerator for another 24 hours. So it's been 24 hours since the last time we here. That makes an equal amount of 48. Ooh, that's a long time. So now we're going to see if our rubber egg project got naked. This vinegar is really cold. It feels like it's below 40 degrees outside. Now it looks like all the shell has completely dissolved off this thing. And it really does feel like rubber. You can squeeze it. You can actually feel the liquid inside. So let's compare the two. This one has a hard outside. This one was the one that was set in vinegar for 2 days. You want to know why it looks like this? Well, I can tell you. The acid from the vinegar made the shell dissolve. That caused a little bit of vinegar to get seeped inside the egg. That's why this one is bigger than this one. Now, who says eggs can't bounce? I don't. So this is what you just do. Bounce it lightly. It's fun, but don't bounce it too hard or else it pops. So what's inside of this egg? Is it like the normal egg we have? Well, let's find out. It is the normal egg we have. I see egg yolk and it just splattered all on me. So remember when I said this was rubber? Well, it's still an egg. So if you bounce it too hard, it might pop. Look at this. This feels like rubber. It feels so nice and cool and it's very gooey. guys. Gotta keep on dropping. It's so slippery. This was an extraordinarily exciting experiment, and I hope you have an excellent time doing it. Alright, boom.